Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Oigan, ¿están listos para ir a una aventura? Are you ready to go on an adventure? Today, Spring Spanish va a una misión especial, goes on a special mission. Yo soy María Fernanda and I am one of the Spanish teachers here at Spring Spanish. ¿Y él? Él es Toto. He is Toto. Y él es uno de mis perros. He is one of my dogs. And he's a hunter. He kind of looks like un zorro, like a fox, no? Well, he's going to go on a quest with me to find animales. So, ¿estás listo para aprender los animales en español? Are you ready to learn the animals in Spanish? Entonces, síganme. Guys, today we will be very attentive to find los animales de la granja, the farm animals. However, before we leave, I really want to teach you how we say los animales que conocemos como mascotas, the animals that we know as pets. Soy una amante de los perros. I am a dog lover. Yo tengo 13 perros. I have 13 dogs. However, yo no tengo gatos. I do not have cats. Pero tengo un perico. But I have one parakeet. You know, there are people that like to have pajaritos, little birds. Un canario, o un loro, o como yo, like me, un perico. I have heard that there are some animals like un conejo blanco, a white rabbit. I mean, it doesn't have to be white, but un conejo, o peces. Like, I know that it's very popular to have un pez payaso, just like in the movie Finding Nemo. And what about those people that like to reptiles, reptiles? You know, such as una serpiente, snake, una lagartija, a lizard. Mi favorito es el camaleón. My favorite is the chameleon. You know, because tiene muchos colores. It has a lot of colors. We usually refer to the animals with their colors as well to be very precise. But what about you guys? I already told you how many animals as pets I have, cuántas mascotas tengo. But do you have any mascotas? Share with me in the comments below. I really want to know. And you can use the chunk yo tengo, I have, so you can share with me the number and the kind of animal that you have como mascota. So now we're ready to hop on the car and go on our quest to find más animales, more animals. ¡Vámonos! Okay guys, so we are now on the road and Toto is ready to spot some animals. ¿Estás listo? Vamos a buscar animales. Let's go and find some animals. Okay, Toto just spotted the first animals. Good job, Toto. We have some vacas in here. House. Okay, Toto, he has found some caballos. Caballos, horses. Awesome, Toto. He has spotted some gallinas. Gallina. Hens. So Toto has just recently spotted some amazing animals with two colors as well, blanco y negros. Let's have a look at them now. Hay blancos, negros, cafés, blanco con negro. Those are called borregos. Okay guys, this was amazing. Toto actually found a spot where we've seen a lot of animals. So we're gonna go really quiet so they don't get scared when we get there, okay? Aquí tenemos un cerdito, a little pig. Hola! Hola cerdito. Hello. And then we have more sheep in here. They're called borregos. Borregos. Okay guys, that was amazing. Oh my god. However, I don't think we're gonna find here un pavo, turkey, or un ganso, a goose. So now it's time to go back to the house and I'm going to teach you some more animals in there. That was an awesome adventure. Thank you so much for joining me. You know, I am an animal lover, especially when we saw that El Cerdito Rosa. Oh, he was so cute. The pink little pig, right? Well, did you notice that I was referring to them with colors as well? If you don't know the colors yet in Spanish, I have made a video that you can go there and click to watch it. And also feel free to check out the other Spring Spanish Teachers videos because we have a whole video series of Spanish for beginners. By the way, guys, you know, I really like to travel a lot and I have been very fortunate to be in your country as well, quite a few times already. And I know that there are some popular animales salvajes, wild animals, such as el lobo, el gato montés, la ardilla, el mapache, and of course, the US representative, el águila calva. But as you already know, I'm an animal lover and we could continue this lesson for hours. So, in order to finish, I have prepared a last section, a really fun one, with some animal actors, of course my pets, that will be representing some zoo animals. So, ¿me ayudas? Can you help me? Vamos a terminar la lección. We're gonna end this lesson with that section. Sígueme. Bienvenidos al zoológico de María Fernanda. Welcome to María Fernanda's Zoo, where we can find first, of course, El Rey de la Selva, the King of the Jungle, Toto el León, Toto the Lion, followed by Max el Mono, Max the Monkey. Also we have Bibi el Oso Panda, the Panda Bear, Scooby el Venado, the Deer, and last but not least, Fifi la Jirafa, Fifi the Giraffe. Oh my god, that was awesome! The Animal Actor Awards goes to Oreo Tonto and their gang. That was so much fun shooting this video for you. That's why amo a los animales. I love animals. And don't forget to tell me and share with me below in the comments, ¿qué mascotas tienes? What pets do you have? Or, ¿cuál es tu animal favorito? Which is your favorite animal? Don't forget to use the chunks yo tengo, I have, or mi animal favorito es, my favorite animal is, so you can reply to those questions.